This is a set of reflective, non-skid RV steps. They're universal, so they'll fit on pretty much any RV. Now, I had some problems because I have the fold down, the Mow-Ride steps that tilt down. They don't fold out. But this, if you can wrap around your step, this kit is designed to connect underneath on the bottom of your RV step, and we're going to go take a look at the pictures. But super easy to install, and it's springed, so it works universally with really any kind of step. And what you're going to get is this is going to be a cover that now gives you a non-skid surface and a very durable surface, which doesn't come with most RVs. They wear out. And so you can use this to keep your feet clean. It does have reflection too. So at night, if you're walking up to your RV, you're going to be able to see that. So that's it with the RV steps, but it works on both kinds. The fold out provides increased safety at night. There's the size. They have up to 25 inches wide as well. Night reflection, thick 1.4 centimeter thickness. This is from My Family.